Hello, wealth seekers, and welcome back to Wisdom from Pages. Today, we're diving into the pages of a book that has inspired countless individuals on their journey to financial freedom. The Richest Man in Babylon, by George S. Clason. This timeless classic is a relic of the past and a treasure trove of ancient wisdom that remains surprisingly relevant in our modern world. In this video, we're going to distill the essence of this book into 15 powerful lessons that you can apply to your financial life. Whether you dream of early retirement, economic independence, or want to make your money work harder, these lessons offer a roadmap to prosperity. So get ready to unlock the ancient secrets and discover how to build wealth, secure your financial future, and live a life of abundance. Let's embark on this journey together and uncover the timeless wisdom that lies within The Richest Man in Babylon. Lesson 1. Pay yourself first. In the heart of ancient Babylon, a fundamental principle for building wealth emerged. Pay yourself first. This means consistently setting aside a portion of your earnings, ideally at least 1/10, before addressing any other expenses. Think of it as a non-negotiable commitment to your financial well-being. You create a solid foundation for accumulating wealth by prioritizing yourself this way. This practice isn't about self-denial. It's about self-empowerment. It's a recognition that your financial future deserves as much attention as your present needs. When you pay yourself first, you invest in your dreams and aspirations. This disciplined approach ensures you're consistently building a nest egg that can grow and provide for you in the coming years. Remember, the act of saving is like planting a seed. The sooner you plant it, the more time it has to grow and flourish. As your savings accumulate, they become powerful, generating income through investments and multiplying over time. This is the magic of compound interest, where your money earns money, and the earnings themselves earn even more. By paying yourself first, you harness this magic and set yourself on a path toward financial abundance. Lesson 2. Control your expenditures. In the vibrant markets of Babylon, where merchants displayed their wares and temptations abounded, the wise understood the importance of controlling expenditures. It's not about living a life of austerity. It's about making conscious choices and aligning your spending with your values and goals. Create a budget that reflects your priorities. Identify your essential expenses, such as housing, food, and clothing, and allocate a reasonable portion of your income to them. Then, set aside funds for your financial goals, whether saving for a down payment on a house, investing in your education, or building a retirement nest egg. You'll understand where your money goes by tracking your spending and sticking to your budget. You'll be able to identify areas where you can cut back and redirect those funds toward your financial objectives. This empowers you to take control of your finances and make intentional decisions that support your long-term prosperity. Lesson 3. Make your gold multiply. The ancient Babylonians understood that gold, like a fertile field, has the potential to multiply. Once you've started saving, the next step is to put your money to work. Invest wisely in ventures that generate income, allowing your wealth to grow exponentially. This could involve investing in real estate, starting a business, or purchasing income-generating assets. The key is to choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Seek advice from those with experience in finance, and diversify your investments to spread risk. Remember, the goal is to create a continuous stream of income that flows into your coffers, even when you're not actively working. This is the essence of financial freedom. By making your gold multiply, you're accumulating wealth and building a legacy that can benefit you and your loved ones for generations to come. Lesson 4. Guard your treasures from loss. Safeguarding your hard-earned wealth is paramount in a world filled with opportunities and temptations. The ancient Babylonians learned this lesson through both triumphs and setbacks. They discovered that protecting your treasures requires vigilance, wisdom, and a healthy dose of caution. Before investing your money, thoroughly research the opportunity. Seek advice from experienced individuals with a proven track record in handling finances. Don't be swayed by promises of quick riches or get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, focus on investments that offer a reasonable return with high security. Remember, the goal is to preserve your capital and avoid risky ventures that could jeopardize your financial well-being. By guarding your treasures from loss, you ensure that your hard work and sacrifices pay off in the long run. Lesson 5. Make your dwelling a profitable investment. In ancient Babylon, owning a home was seen as more than just a place to live. It was considered a profitable investment. This principle holds today. Real estate can be a valuable asset that appreciates over time and provides security and stability. Consider investing in a home, whether your primary residence or a rental property. As you pay your mortgage, you're building equity, essentially your ownership stake in the property. Over time, your home can increase in value, giving you a significant return on your investment. Additionally, owning a home can offer tax benefits and a sense of pride and accomplishment. It's a tangible asset you can pass down to future generations, creating a lasting legacy. By making your dwelling a profitable investment, you're securing a roof over your head and building a foundation for your financial future. Lesson 6. Ensure a future income. Life is a journey with many stages, and planning for the future is essential, especially as you age or face unexpected events. The Babylonians understood the importance of securing a future income to ensure a comfortable retirement and provide for their families in their absence. Explore various options for creating a future income stream. This could involve investing in retirement accounts, annuities, or other long-term financial instruments. Consider diversifying your investments to mitigate risk and ensure a steady income flow. By planning for your financial future, you're taking proactive steps to protect yourself and your loved ones. You're creating a safety net that can provide peace of mind and financial security, allowing you to enjoy your golden years without worry. Lesson 7. Increase your ability to earn. Your earning potential can change. It can grow and expand with your knowledge, skills, and experience. The ancient Babylonians recognized that investing in yourself is just as important as investing in gold. Continuously seek opportunities to learn and improve your craft. Attend workshops, pursue further education, or seek mentorship from those who have achieved success in your field. Enhancing your skills and knowledge increases your value in the marketplace and opens doors to higher-paying opportunities. Remember, your ability to earn is a valuable asset. By investing in yourself, you're not just increasing your income potential, you're also boosting your confidence and self-worth. This, in turn, can lead to more tremendous success and fulfillment in all areas of your life. Lesson 8. The power of compound interest. In the ancient city of Babylon, a wise moneylender named Algamish taught a valuable lesson about the power of compound interest. He explained how even a tiny amount of gold could multiply over time when invested wisely and left to grow, creating a substantial fortune. This principle, known as compound interest, is the concept of earning interest not only on your initial investment, but also on the accumulated interest. Imagine a farmer investing a few silver pieces for his newborn son. Over the years, the moneylender adds the earned interest to the principal, gaining even more interest. The initial investment has grown significantly by the time the son reaches adulthood. This demonstrates how compound interest can turn a modest sum into a substantial nest egg over time. The key to harnessing the power of compound interest is to start early and invest consistently. Even small, regular contributions to an investment account can yield impressive results over the long term. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow and compound, leading to exponential growth in your wealth. Understanding and utilizing compound interest can accelerate your journey toward financial freedom and create a lasting legacy for yourself and your family. Lesson 9. Seek wise counsel. In the bustling city of Babylon, where merchants traded goods and fortunes were made and lost, the wise sought counsel from those with knowledge and experience in financial matters. They understood that seeking expert advice could save them from costly mistakes and lead them toward greater prosperity. Surround yourself with individuals who have a proven track record in handling money. These could be financial advisors, mentors, or successful entrepreneurs. Seek their guidance on investments, budgeting, and other financial decisions. Their insights and expertise can be invaluable in helping you navigate the complex world of finance. Remember, seeking counsel is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of wisdom. It demonstrates a willingness to learn from others and leverage their knowledge to your advantage. By seeking wise counsel, you increase your chances of making sound financial decisions and achieving your long-term goals. Lesson 10. Live within your means. While it's important to pursue wealth, it's equally important to remember that life is meant to be enjoyed. The ancient Babylonians understood the value of balancing financial prudence with the pleasures of the present. Living within your means doesn't mean depriving yourself of all the good things in life. It means making conscious choices and prioritizing your spending. Create a budget that allows you to enjoy your life today while saving for your future goals. Remember, wealth is a tool to enhance your life, not a burden to bear. Use it wisely to create experiences, build relationships, and support causes that are meaningful to you. By living within your means, you'll achieve financial stability and cultivate a sense of contentment and gratitude for the present moment. Lesson 11. The importance of persistence. In the ancient city of Babylon, where the sun beat down relentlessly and the wind swept across the desert sands, the value of persistence was deeply ingrained in the hearts of its people. They understood that building wealth, like constructing the city's mighty walls, required unwavering determination and a refusal to succumb to setbacks. The journey to financial freedom is a challenging one. There will be obstacles, challenges, and moments of doubt, but the key is to persevere, to keep moving forward, even when the path seems uncertain. Remember the story of Dabasir, the camel trader who faced numerous hardships and setbacks on his path to success. Yet he never gave up on his dream of returning to Babylon and repaying his debts. Persistence is the fuel that propels us toward our goals. It's the unwavering belief in ourselves and our ability to overcome adversity. When we encounter obstacles, we don't retreat. We find creative solutions and adapt to changing circumstances. We learn from our mistakes and use them as stepping stones toward success. By embracing persistence, we tap into our inner strength and resilience, ultimately achieving what we once thought impossible. Lesson 12. The value of reputation. In the bustling marketplaces of Babylon, where merchants bartered goods and traders exchanged stories, a person's reputation was their most valuable asset. A reputation for honesty, integrity, and reliability opened doors to lucrative opportunities and fostered trust among business partners. Your reputation is your brand. It's the perception that others have of you based on your actions, words, and interactions. A solid reputation can attract valuable partnerships, open doors to new ventures, and make you a sought-after borrower or investor. Building a good reputation takes time and effort. It requires consistently upholding your values, delivering on your promises, and treating others respectfully and fairly. Remember, your reputation is a reflection of your character. By prioritizing integrity and ethical behavior, you're building a successful financial life and creating a legacy of trust and respect that will endure. Lesson 13. The Pitfalls of Debt. In the ancient city of Babylon, where gold and silver flowed freely, the wise were wary of the pitfalls of debt. They understood that while borrowing could be a valuable tool for investment and growth, it could also become a dangerous trap if not managed carefully. Like a hungry lion, debt can quickly consume your wealth and leave you struggling to make ends meet. High-interest debt, in particular, can be a significant burden, as the interest payments eat away at your income and savings. Before taking on any debt, consider the interest rates, repayment terms, and your ability to repay the loan. Living within your means and avoiding debt whenever possible is often wiser. If you must borrow, do so for investments that have the potential to generate income or appreciate over time. By being mindful of the pitfalls of debt, you can protect your financial well-being and avoid the stress and anxiety of overwhelming financial obligations. Lesson 14. The importance of giving. In the prosperous city of Babylon, where wealth was abundant, the wealthiest man, Arcad, emphasized the importance of giving back to the community and those in need. He believed that generosity not only benefited others, but also enriched the giver's own life. Giving can take many forms, whether donating to charitable causes, supporting local businesses, or simply helping a friend in need. When we give freely and generously, we create a ripple effect of positivity that extends far beyond ourselves. Moreover, giving can bring a sense of purpose and fulfillment to our lives. It connects us to something larger than ourselves and reminds us of the abundance surrounding us. By incorporating giving into our financial plan, we make a difference in the world and cultivate a spirit of gratitude and abundance within ourselves. Lesson 15. The power of gratitude. The people understood the power of gratitude in the ancient city of Babylon, where the sun rose and set over the fertile plains. They recognized that a grateful heart was a magnet for blessings and abundance. Gratitude is more than just a feeling. It's a way of life. It's about appreciating what we have rather than focusing on what we lack. When we cultivate gratitude, we shift our perspective from scarcity to abundance. Take time each day to reflect on the blessings in your life. Be thankful for your income, health, relationships, and all the good things that come your way. By expressing gratitude, you open yourself up to receiving even more abundance. Remember, a grateful heart is joyful, the ultimate currency of a rich and fulfilling life. There you have it, wealth seekers. 15 timeless lessons from the richest man in Babylon that can transform your financial life. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, discipline, and a commitment to learning and growing. If you found these lessons valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to Wisdom from Pages for more insightful content on personal finance, self-improvement, and the pursuit of a more prosperous life. Until next time, keep seeking wisdom, taking action, and building your path to prosperity.